Can you prove x minus y whole square equals to 4? Except pause the video and try for yourself in 3, 2, 1. Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video, Mr. Pi, and today we are again solving a question from Georgia Math 10. Do follow them on Instagram. What you are given is there a, b, c, d has an area of x. That is, area of a, b, c, d is equal to x, p, q, r, s. It has an area of y. That is, p, q, r, s has an area of y here. And again, this triangle, this square right here, x, y, z, c has an area of z. X, y, z, c has an area equal to z. Now what we have to do is we have to find this area and correlate and prove this equation. So let's assume that AQ has a length of A and QB has a length of B. So from symmetry, right here will also be A, B. This will also be A, B, B, A, B. Okay, let's assume that this square right here has a side length of C, that is x equals to C. So this total length right here is C, and this RC equals to B. So right here RX, this portion will be here B minus C. This is C. Let's assume this angle to be theta. This angle will also be theta. SC is equal to A, but ZC is equal to C. So SZ, this portion will right will be equal to A minus C. Okay, so let's start. Now we have to use concept of similarity. Here triangle RCY, triangle RCY is similar to triangle YZS, YZS. So if they are similar, we can use concept of ratios, in which the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. So what we can do is we can take xy upon sz is equal to rc upon yz. So we'll get ratio of xy is equal to c upon a minus c is equal to rc. rc is equals to b minus c upon c. So c square is equal to ab minus ac minus ab plus c square. Are we right? C square equals to ab minus ac minus bc plus c square. We can cancel out c square and we'll get ab is equal to a plus b c. Okay, we have got this equation right here. Now what we will do is we'll try to find the area of the individual squares. So the area of abcd is x, but we know that the square of a square has an area of side length whole square. Its side length is a plus b, so x equals to a plus b whole square. Okay, now focus on pqrs triangle. So pqrs triangle has a side length of, this is right angle here, and this is Pythagoras theorem hypotenuse, so it will have a length of a square plus b square because it is the hypotenuse. Now if this is the side length of a square, then the area of square, that is y is equal to a square plus b square, because we are whole squaring the square. That means that z has an area, x is equal to a plus b whole square, then it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square, but a square plus b square equals to y, so x equals to y plus 2ab right here. And we can use this equation right here, that is x minus y upon 2 equals to ab, but ab equals to a plus b into c. So x minus y by 2 equals to a plus b into c. Now let's do the whole square. Using the whole square we will get, because we have to put x minus y whole square, so we will do whole square. We will get x minus y whole square is equal to 4 a plus b whole square into c square. Now focus here, a plus b whole square equals to x, so 4x and c square. So c square is the area of this triangle xc yz. Assume it y z equals to c square, so finally we get it z. Hence this was the video. I hope you like it. If you have any queries below, then do comment down. Thank you.